Fusion Live is about Keyloop delivering the vision.
It's a time for us to showcase our end-to-end solution with all of our customers.
I know that trying to run a business and change it is not easy. So the question is, how do you prioritise?
As businesses, as dealers, manufacturers, we need to be making the right choices.
The automotive industry is quite disparate. So what we're doing now is actually bringing everyone back down to earth. The underpinning of our customers' business is the data.
We are launching Vega, our new AI-powered business insight technology.
We have a vision to deliver capabilities that automate with greater speed than you've seen out of a technology company in the automotive space.
Our roadmap seems to be landing really well with our customer base, really propelling our partnership with them. Fusion Live is a really, really exciting time.